This classic pumpkin pie is the ultimate autumn comfort dessert. Its creamy filling bursts with warm spiced flavors. Preheat oven to 425 degrees. In a large mixing bowl, combine all ingredients: pumpkin puree, condensed milk, ground cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, ground nutmeg, salt, and eggs. Mix well. The ingredients come together into this smooth, velvety consistency. Pour into prepared pie crust. Bake 15 minutes. Reduce temperature to 350 degrees. Continue baking 35 to 40 minutes or until knife inserted comes out clean. Cool, and this makes one 9-inch pie.